Mathestic, and welcome back to Teacher Sol's classroom. It's me again, your majestic maestra. Our lesson for today is a composition of function. Our learning objective, you will be able to perform composition of function. Let us define composition of function. Let f and g be functions. The composite function, denoted by f composed with g, is defined by f composed with g is equal to f of x. The process of obtaining a composite function is called function composition. Given example, f of x is equal to 4x minus 5. G of x is equal to x squared plus 4. You need to find a. F composed with g, x. B. G composed with f, x. To find now the answer for letter A, which is f composed with g, x, and that is equivalent to f of gx. First thing to do is you need to copy or prefix the given for fx, and that is equal to 4x minus 5. Since the given is f of gx, we need to replace the value for g of x, which is x squared plus 4. So replace x squared plus 4 to your x. So the given now for f of x is equal to 4 of gx, then minus 5. Again, your gx here is equivalent to x squared plus 4. So we have now 4 quantity of x squared plus 4 minus 5. So using distributive property, you need to distribute 4 to x squared plus 4. So 4 times x squared, you have 4x squared. 4 times 4, you have 16. Then copy minus 5. Combining like terms, we need to simplify. Copy 4x squared, then 16 minus 5 is equivalent to 11. Thus, f composed of gx is equal to 4x squared plus 11. Let us do the vice versa. We need to find g composed with f of x, and that is also equivalent to g of f of x, meaning x is the domain of f and f of x is the domain of g. In other words, in the given value of g of x, which is x squared plus 4, your x here will be replaced or substitute by the given f of x. The first thing that you need to do is prefix the given value for g of x, and that is x squared plus 4. Then let us substitute or replace your x here by the given f of x, which is 4x minus 5. So the given now is quantity of 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. Next, let us simplify using your knowledge about the FOIL method. Start with the first term. 4x times 4x is equal to 16x squared. Then, outer 4x times negative 5 is equal to negative 20x. Inner, negative 5x times 4x, it will give you negative 20x. And the last, negative 5 times negative 5 is equal to positive 25. Combining like terms, negative 20x and negative 20x, you will have now 16x squared, negative 40x plus 25. Then, prefix 4 or copy 4 from the original given. It is now 16x squared minus 40x plus 25 plus 4. Add the two constants, 25 plus 4. So the answer is 29. Thus, g composed with f of x is equal to 16x squared minus 40x plus 29. Let us try more example. Given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1, q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2, and r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. You need to find the q of f of x, and it's also equivalent to q of f of x. Let us copy first the q of x given, which is x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then, replace all x here by the given value f of x, which is 2x plus 1. Let us now simplify again using the FOIL method and distributive property. 2x times 2x equals to 4x squared. 2x times 1 equals to 2x. Then inner, 2x times 1 equals to 2x. And last, 1 times 1 equals to 1. For the distributive property, let us distribute 2 to 2x plus 1. The result is negative 4x and negative 2. Then, combining like terms, 2x plus 2x minus 4x. The answer is 0. For the constant term, 1 minus 2 plus 2, the answer is positive 1. So our q of f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1. How do you find q composed of f of 2? Meaning, the domain of f is 2. Then the domain of q is f of 2. Now, first step, let us find first the f of 2. Using the given value for f, which is 2x plus 1, replace or substitute your x here by 2. So we have 2 times 2 plus 1. Simplify it will give us f of 2 equals to 5. Next thing to do is you have to prefix the value for q of x, which is x squared minus 2x plus 2. Then you will replace f of 2 result a while ago, and that is 5, to all x here. So our q composed with f of 2 is equal to 5 squared minus 2 times 5 plus 2. Let us simplify. 5 times 5 equals to 25. Then, negative 2 times 5 equals to negative 10. Then add 2 as the constant term. 25 minus 10 plus 2, the answer now is 17. Thus, q composed with f of 2 is equal to 17. Let us proceed to this example. You need to find f composed with r of x, and it's also equivalent to f of r of x. First step, prefix or copy the value of f of x, which is 2x plus 1. Then, we will replace all x here by the value of your r of x, which is 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. Let us multiply 2 to our numerator, 2x plus 1. Then, copy the denominator. So we have 4x plus 2 over x minus 1 plus 1. We need to apply here the rules in solving rational equation. You need to get the LCD, then simplify. So our LCD here is x minus 1. If you simplify it, will yield to 4x plus 2 plus x minus 1 over x minus 1. Combining like terms, 4x plus x, that is 5x. And for the constant term, 2 minus 1 equals to 1. So our final answer here is 5x plus 1 over x minus 1. For our last example, you need to find and simplify f composed with g of x, meaning your g of x will be the domain of your f of x. So your solution, f composed with g of x, is equivalent to f of g of x, or simply write f of 6x plus 2, because that is the given for your g of x. Let us prefix or copy the given for f, which is 2x minus 1. Then, replace or substitute the value of our g of x, which is 6x plus 2. Using distributive property, let us distribute 2 to 6x plus 2. So 2 times 6x equals to 12x. Then 2 times 2 equals to 4. Then copy minus 1 from the original given value, combining like terms, the constant term 4 minus 1, and that is equals to 3. Our final answer now is f with g of x equal to 12x plus 3. If you learned from this video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates for the upcoming video lesson. Please do like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning, Mathematics!